Right guys, it's Josh now on the old Clio beast. Matty's done discs and pads near side. I've just done discs and pads offside, so we won't film that bit. We've done the drop link on the near side as well. A little bit crusty. To be fair, the nut came off the bottom pretty easily, but there's so much corrosion and the rubber's all split and dry and just stuck to everything. And so I've just give this probably 15 minutes or so, 20 minutes soaking with WD-40. But as I say, it is a proper crustacean. Give me 2 ticks and I will get you in a slightly better position. So, how can I get you in there, boys and girls, obviously? So, I don't know if you can see, that's the bottom, and there's nothing sticking out of it because it's broken. And then just above it, this bit, that's the top, and you can see it's proper rusty. So I'll set you up on a bit better angle, and then we'll see what we're going to do, try and like get it out back in the tick. Right, let's see what we can get done then. So we did do a little cheat and we had a practice on the other side, and what we found is that if, I mean, that snapped off quite severely at the bottom, to the point where if you have a look, that's not connected anymore. There's probably a bit of something underneath, but yeah. So what we found was, if we get something in there, you can't see very good, can you, what I'm doing? We'll try and get all that crusty old rubber out of it. So it is spinning up top, but what we have to try and do, let's see if I can get you a better picture. We have to try and spin the top and the bottom against each other, if we can. It is a T40 on top, but it's that old. It's now like a T round hole, which is never good. So with a couple of pairs of groups, if we can get that we might be getting some wiring on it. Let's have a look. This is not a good place to be filming. Can you see even a thing there? No, not really. Oh, there you are. Hello. Right. Crusty bit. Let's see if we can get them just in and there. Right, they're in and on. Can we get another there? In fact, let's see if we can get the shit ones underneath. Bolt themselves in. Matty's talking, and has been for about the last 3 years, to some geezer. so he's not been much use up to yet. Bear with, back in two. There's that in there. This is a bit more. A bit more. Oh no, not there. That's in the way. That's a bloody good chisel, is that? I bought that for like £2.50 from some vintage tool jobby in Kirby Moorside. It's a bloody good chisel. And I bought these. I didn't, however, buy this from there. It's a bit long, this pry bar, really. I'm trying to do. Love how Matty goes, yeah, you can take that out if you want, make sure you film it. Oh yeah, we'll do it. You just go on phone for 3 weeks. Yeah, I'm not bothered, mate. Yeah. I'll just struggle. Oh, you're on bloody phone to your mate. Don't worry, don't worry about me, mate. It's not a problem, mate. I'll just, lay here like a div under your crusty Clio. It's a good Clio, to be fair. It's a bit of a bargain. That's for another day. But yeah. But, don't bloody worry about old Joshy boy here. I'll just get hemorrhoids from me sat on cold floor and that. It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. And I can't even have a fag anymore, which is very disappointing. It's not, it's good. I stopped smoking, which I didn't think would ever happen. Nor did anybody who knows me think that had ever happened. But I ran out of baccy the other week, and I was like, do I really want to spend another 15 quid on baccy? So that was that. I thought, right, my smoking days are over. So I've got a new habit. One of these new fandangle vaping pen things. It's good. And I don't smell like an armpit anymore after having a fag, which is always good. I'll do some drop links on Clio for me, mate. Yeah, no worries. I'll do drop links on Clio. Yeah, no bother. Love doing drop links on a Clio. It's my favourite job in the whole world. I don't think about better to do. Yeah. I'll do that for you, mate. Bloody fool, that's what I am. And he's bloody stood over there, still talking to God only knows who. No, guess what he's talking about? Cars. Fixing cars. Breaking cars. everything to do with cars. I'm going to get more tools. Sounds like a good idea. If you really want, you could just brake, I suppose. Pry bar, little pry bar, little pry bar, baby. And he's still on the phone and talking absolute garbage. The Aldi T. I still can't get it in. Well, that's never ideal, is it? Bloody Aldi T spanners, or whatever they are. I'm just going to put this in and just tap it in. Just, that's not a T40, that, surely. No, that's not going in there. That's not going in there, kid. I tell thee. Danos. Will you just go in and just pop up a little bit? I'm not going to have to use. No. Just like this. Look here. I'm getting angry. You can tell I don't do this for a living. All you professional bloody grease monkey folk, mechanics, struggle bus owners would have had this off by now, I'm sure. I think I can fit an angry spanner in there quite nicely. I'm just thinking to myself now, like, I've just spent, what, a good 15 minutes piss balling about. Why didn't I just do this? That's why I didn't do it in the first place. Beareth, witheth. Right, that'll do for me. Watch your eyeball. Nice nearly there, boy. One fair swing. Some sticking in me. Bloody getting attacked now by whatever's on the floor underneath me, pebbles and all sorts of other. Just tap it in. Just tap it in. Or you could just get your grinder out and slice it off. Chisel. Just can't quite get it. Like that. Why did I not do that earlier? Stupid boy. Right. drop link. Drop link. Renault Clio drop link. I'm going to fast forward through most of this. As much as you lot are going to be upset to not hear what I'm waffling about. I think fast forwarding is a bloody good idea. Right, that's got to go like that. And then that's got to go. Oh no, we definitely need more space. Move some, let's not lose them. Move some gubbies. Hello. Hello, it's me. Oh, in fact, if I just wedge that on there a minute. Just, ooh, why do it? Oh, Matty's just shouted me. I'll be over in a minute. That means he'll be about fucking another 3 hours. Not that he's been any help whatsoever thus far in this drop link saga that we have ourselves in here. Right, I need to just... So, in these, you've got like 3 bits way up there. So you've got, where is it? There, can you see that bit? That's my hand. Hang on. Can you see that bit? That's the top. And then you've got the middle bit, which is in there, which compresses. And then you've got another one of them on the bottom and a 13mm nut. Which is going to just happen like this, he says. Hammer. Tappy, tappy, tappy. Tappy, tappy. Tappy. So now we've got a bit of thread there. I'm going to have to bloody move you lot now, look. So, oh, what's happening with my tripod? Oh, Christ on a bicycle. This ain't going very well. So you see that bit of thread here? That bit. We need more of it to get that on. Like that. And then the nut on the bottom. So what we decided in our infinite wisdom, I should get one of these like this. Put it like that, like that. And you just put the weight of the car on there like that, and then that, with some luck, should, he says, let's not more that thread, just more the amateur instead. Rashet. I live in Rashet, I do. But where's the 13mm socket? There. Flipping out there. I've just done it down here somewhere because I just used it to do distant pads. 18, yeah. Might be lost in me gravel for me next person who's going to buy me house to find. I've just realised all you can see is the trolley jack. Bear with. How do you like them apples? I still can't see a thing, can you? No. No, I can't. You're looking at this bit here, look. I've got to get the nut on it. Like this. This. 13mm. Going in a forwards direction. Like this. Dogger. Get it. Okay, not to worry. I'll just do that and then just go. Yeah, yeah. ever so good of him to join us, isn't it?
I arrived just in time then,
Oh, bloody time to perfection.
Yep, always. We got there, lad.
Yeah, have you got that 13 spanner just to put under there a minute, boy?
There.
There.
She blows. Where we're looking.
Somewhere under there. Oh, he's a bloody good lad. He's that match, isn't he? Just, you know.
Just arrived in time.
Just appears. Just when everything's nearly done. You had no faith in me.
I had every faith in you. That's why I've left you for an hour.
There, you got it?
Yeah.
That's tight like that. I'm not getting that any tighter. Without knuckling me nice new T40.
But somebody kindly gifted you.
Somebody kindly gifted me, but we won't tell you how that happened.
No, we
but
won't.
it was a bloody good show. I've lost my 13mm socket.
No, you haven't. It's on the brake caliper. Well, it's right there.
Found my 13mm socket. It was a good job that he arrived. Yeah. You've got to leave all that in. I've been waffling some right shit on there. It's half an hour long.
Then.
It's half an hour long, but that's a full blown video in itself, is that?
Right, are you getting wheel back on then? Get it finished.
Alright. Bloody bossy britches, isn't he?
Well, make sure you finish it. You're the one who's been doing the job, so...
Yeah, we know about that, don't we? Because where have you been? Other than bloody talking about cars,
just gassing,
breaking cars, fixing cars.
I was on the phone for an hour and 10 minutes.
Were you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's lucky for you, my boy.
You know what I might can talk for England. Hey up, was that one properly seized, was it?
Yeah.
Woohoo! That one will come out nicely. Oh, it has a centre. It has a metal centre there.
Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Me boy.
Say my angry spanner it off.
Your angry spanner. Yeah, angry spanner. Then we're going to be going over the road and carrying on with a little Fiesta project we're on with. Have you told them about the Fiesta project?
I ain't said no. Ow, nobody tells me no. It's a trusty little gun, is that?
That'd be about 110 newton meters.
Yeah, it is actually. About 110, 115. That.
Is it? Yeah. Knock her up, boy.
There, keep knocking stuff over.
Good jack, this one. Good jack.
Have you guffed?
No, I haven't actually.
No, that'd be me.
Probably. Yeah, that's the waffle that comes out your mouth.
Hey!
Ah, me too! That, ladies and gentlemen, is why you wear safety belts.
Adidas ones, are they?
Yeah.
Not like these bloody things. I'm going to briefly mention these, leave this in. Mr. Doc Martin UK, whoever you are. So I bought these, hang on. So I bought these riggers, right, yeah, they were on offer. Within the first week, my left boot lining pulled out, couldn't get my foot out. So then I had to shoehorn myself out of it. And then within about 3 weeks...
You've gone for it too.
Toes had gone. Shocking.
Spends too much time on his knees, that's why.
Worst pair of... Not the worst pair of boots, but long...
Not very good.
Not recommended at all. Saying that, Doc Martens in general I think have gone down pan.
There you go.
Oh, 130.
Where off there?
27. 26.
Done.
125 that one was. Must have been.
It sounded more like a 123.
123, do you reckon?
Yes.
Yeah. 124 then, we'll go down middle. Are we really putting this back on?
Temporarily. I think I might order a set of new ones.
Maybe not a bad idea. Oops, alright.
Scratching it, Josh, you're scratching it. Well, you've seen the one from the inside right now.
What? Is that the lost one?
The lost one. That was,
What a beast. Weight reduction, bro. Rust is lighter than carbon fibre and all that jazz.
Yep.
Right. So, that.
Want me to take her out block, boy?
Yeah, press pedal first, boy, I would.
Yeah. Put pedal first. Well, you can film me leaving and film me coming.
Oh yeah. Madge Automotive number plate will not be on when we go around the block.
You outside, yeah?
Yeah, cushion a bit.
Good, everything tight?
Yeah, but, tight enough. We'll find out if you come back or not. Right, so that's going to be the end of that. We'll just, I'll just video Matty doing his thing, going out, coming back. Ah, it suits him. Look. Oh, my Coke's empty. Has got no battery on. It's an automatic, 1.4 I think it is. Whoa! What a beast. What a beast. It's done something like 50 odd thou, but we actually think it's done less than 50 odd thou. Because it's had no clocks. And it went from like 20 something thousand to like straight up to 53 or something. And it hadn't done much more than that, so I guess what we've got for it. No set of clocks. It's gone again. Common fault. Look, vape stick. Hey, it's bloody good. Good for you, nearly. Got to be better for you than smoking. That's controversial. There's lots of arguments about that, isn't there? I'm going to put you on top of Matty's other car. Here he comes. Can you see him? He's not dead.
He's a beast.
Are you dead?
I'm alright.
Cool. There you go. Thanks for watching. Sorry if I've waffled.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Matty will cut most of that waffle out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Very good, very nice. Right, folks, thanks ever so much for watching. Keep your eye out for everything else that's going on. There's
a lot of shit happening.
Lots happening. Lots and lots happening. So, see you later.